Okay, they shot. Come get him. The passenger shot from the passenger window.
No, it was the driver.
Alright, I'll stop over here. Did you get him stopped? I got him stopped right here. It was a driver shot.
Yeah, 10-4. Get me rifle. Yeah. Get ready, Phil. Okay, he's shot too. Go ahead and gather him up. But there's only one person in the car, so come get him. He's still standing here.
Black Chevy Lumina.
Black Chevy Lumina with tires.
Okay, we got one shot. He's in a white truck. Come get him. He's on. Still sitting there. The passenger is the one that shot the kid. I think they may be reloading, so yeah, they're reloading now.
We come on or what?
Hold up just a second. They're reloading.
Man, I wish you gave a little bit notice next time.
Swayze face.
No. Got another.
Let's see what they do here. Hold on a second. Hey, come on, that was a misfire there. They just now saw the car. They never did see it. Okay, come get him. He's gonna be heading towards you, Sean. Driver shot out the driver's side window. Wildlife officer, halt!
Come on, come get him.
That him?
He's running. He's getting in the truck. He's a big truck diesel.
I'm headed that way.
Should have come right up on him. He got it twice. No, come on. Beatty come out on him. He's trying to run. There's a red truck between you and him, Joey. He's going up right through there. He had on a maroon